If you're a brand, web, or graphic designer, everybody talks about how to actually build your skills, but nobody talks about how to actually manage clients. So how to land them, how to actually keep them, onboarding, offboarding. All of those things are so important and nobody talks about them until right now. So this is how I manage multiple different clients all at the same time using Notion. First thing that I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to just go into my Notion, and then I'm going to go here where I save all of my things. And then this is literally where I have everything that I could possibly need. So I've already sent them the pitch email at this point, which I have in this template. I have all of my onboarding templates here, my contracts, everything. But I'm gonna go to my Canva template first. And then I'll customize this whether I'm pitching to them or I'm offboarding them. And then for this, I can change the photo to be whatever I'd like, and then change the name, whatever, and then move on. And then this is where I would put their mission statement. And then here's what the really important thing is, I link all of the assets for the client. So when I'm finished, I will link this to a Google Docs with all of their assets. So the logo, social, and website assets. And then I will also put their logos in here as well. I'll put their hexadecimals in this. I will put their fonts. I always like to do market research for my clients, and then I'll put all that information here. And then I drag and drop photos onto the photography guidelines. I think this is a really nice way to present it that isn't overwhelming. And then I'll also include video direction for their team. So this is really gonna help them to make sure that they have consistent videos. Website direction, if I'm designing it or not, it depends what this is gonna look like. But basically this is gonna be an overview of how the website is going to look. And then my contact information, and always include your hours so then they're not calling you in the middle of the night. If I'm doing social media for a client, I have an onboarding template that's really helpful. And I will send this over to them, and it's so nice. Once I actually have the client and I'm working through all of the tasks of our project, what I'll do is I will click new, and then I'll type in their name. So I'm just gonna type in client name, put in the status. So let's say let's say they're fully onboarded. I put in their email, I put in the files that I have that they've given to me, their phone number, when we started, so I'll just put that as today, and then their website. And then this is really important, I click Client Setup Template. This is where I will keep their answers to the questions that I asked them. So let's say I'm in the research phase, so I need to research for this client, and then bam. I exit out of this. You can see it here in my main menu for what I need to do. And then each project is like that, so I'm not overwhelmed. And that is how you manage clients as a creative.